Every bronze memorial begins long before molten metal is poured. At Matthews, centuries-old craftsmanship meets modern innovation to create memorials designed to honor lives and endure for generations. Here's how a bronze memorial is made. Every memorial begins with a vision. Using advanced design and layout technology, our team carefully prepares each memorial to ensure exceptional accuracy and attention to detail. Once the design is complete, skilled artisans assemble the lettering, emblems, and personalized details that make each memorial unique. Modern imaging systems help position every element with precision, while experienced craftsmen oversee every step of the process. Before casting begins, the completed pattern undergoes a thorough inspection to verify that every detail meets our exacting standards. The memorial then moves to the foundry, where centuries-old casting techniques meet modern manufacturing expertise. A detailed pattern is used to create a precision mold capable of capturing even the finest details. Although the process has been refined over time, the fundamental principles of bronze casting remain much the same as they have for generations. At the heart of the foundry is the hot pour, one of the most critical and dramatic moments in the manufacturing process. Bronze is heated to more than 2,300 degrees Fahrenheit and continuously monitored to ensure ideal casting conditions. When the temperature is exactly right, the molten bronze is carefully poured into the mold, filling every letter, border, and design detail. In a matter of moments, molten metal begins its transformation into a lasting memorial. As the bronze cools and solidifies, a memorial begins to emerge. The casting is cleaned, refined, and inspected before entering the finishing stage. While technology helps ensure precision throughout the manufacturing process, the final character of every memorial comes from the hands of skilled craftsmen. Lettering is sharpened, borders are enhanced, and artwork is brought to life with remarkable depth and clarity. Color is applied by hand, and highlights are carefully buffed to reveal the natural beauty of the bronze. Because each memorial is individually finished, no two are exactly alike. Every memorial receives Diamond Shield, an advanced protective finish developed through years of research and testing. The result is a memorial crafted through tradition, perfected through innovation, and designed to preserve memories for generations to come.